Fishy faces. Meet the colorful creatures of the ocean. Freshwater fishes. Goldfish, a popular pet fish, known for its shiny scales and calm nature. Guppies. Colorful and peaceful, guppies are easy to care for and fun to watch. Neon tetras. Small and iridescent, neon tetras swim in schools and add sparkle to aquariums. Corridoras catfish. Armored catfish that are good for community aquariums and are fun to watch. Rainbow fish. Known for their bright colors and peaceful nature, rainbow fish are a popular choice for kids. Saltwater fishes. Clownfish. Famous for their bright orange and white stripes, clownfish are popular thanks to Finding Nemo. Angelfish. Large and majestic, angelfish have long fins and come in various colors. Butterflyfish. Striking patterns and colors, butterflyfish are a favorite among marine aquarium enthusiasts. Wrasse. Small and energetic, wrasse are known for their bright colors and unique shapes. Tropical fish. Discus. Large, flat fish with vibrant colors and intricate patterns. Cichlids. A diverse group of fish with bright colors and complex behaviors. Damsels. Small, peaceful fish with bright colors and distinctive fins. Chromis. Small, schooling fish with bright colors and vibrant fins. Tang. Surgeonfish with distinctive scalpel-like spines on their tails. Deep sea fish. Anglerfish. Bioluminescent fish with lure-like growths on their heads. Viperfish. Large, predatory fish with massive teeth and bioluminescent lures. Gulper eels. Fish with enormous mouths and bioluminescent lures. Fangtooth. Large, predatory fish with massive teeth and powerful jaws. Other interesting fishes. Sharks. Various species, like the small dwarf lantern shark or the large whale shark. Rays. Like the majestic manta ray or the colorful blue-spotted ribbontail ray. Swordfish. Known for their long bill and fast swimming speed. Tuna. Fast swimming and often colorful, tuna are a popular food fish. Eels. Long and slender, eels come in various species and are fascinating to learn about. Mackerel. Fast-swimming fish with shiny scales and distinctive stripes. Sawfish. Fish with distinctive saw-like snouts and powerful tails. Sturgeons. Ancient fish with armored plates and long snouts. Chromis. Small, schooling fish with bright colors and vibrant fins. Fish bodies. Scales. Fish have special scales that protect their skin and help them swim. Fins. Fish use fins to steer and balance in the water. Gills. Fish breathe underwater using gills, which extract oxygen from the water. Fish habitats. Coral reefs. Coral reefs are like underwater cities, home to many different fish species. Rivers. Freshwater fish live in rivers and streams. Oceans. Saltwater fish live in the ocean, from shallow tide pools to deep depths. Fish senses. Excellent eyesight. Fish have excellent eyesight and can detect polarized light, which helps them navigate underwater. Sensitive hearing. Fish have sensitive hearing and can detect vibrations in the water, which helps them detect predators or prey. Smell and taste. Fish have a strong sense of smell and taste, which helps them find food and detect danger.